DHI have established the industry's first institution of practitioner education, the London Hair Restoration Training Academy. Since 2009, the Academy has trained and certified more than 250 physicians and nurses to ensure the best in safety and effectiveness. The London Hair Restoration Training Academy is the only academy in the world providing formal education in hair restoration while collaborating with major public European universities to establish the most up-to-date curriculum.
Hi, I'm John Michael Stevens. I'm a physician from Canada here in Athens, Greece at the DHI headquarters. I'm here for surgical hair transplantation training. I've spent 1 week here now training with the excellent physicians here teaching hair transplant and surgery.
My name is Renata Klimkienė. I came from Lithuania as a dermatologist doctor to participate in hair transplantation courses that are organized by DHI.
With the guidance and support of outstanding teaching staff, many of whom are nationally and internationally recognised leaders in their field, trainees acquire the skills, knowledge and experience to make a significant contribution to their career, operating at the cutting edge of the hair restoration sector. DHI invests heavily in research year on year. Cutting-edge technology, such as the development of a virtual reality program, have been written specifically for training medical staff to use DHI's innovative patented techniques.
I have covered everything here from the initial consultations with patients, very thorough in terms of history and diagnosis, using the software that they use, the cameras that they do to assess the scalp and the hair quality and donor areas. Gone through the process all the way up to performing the hair transplant surgeries under close supervision from an excellent hair surgeon. The training has been very professional, has been very thorough, but also has allowed me to have the opportunity to perform the procedures on a number of different patients. This experience, I think, is invaluable, and I'm not sure how many places offer such a complete experience.
I'm really very thankful for our director, Kostas Giotis. He showed me many procedures that was not about only hair transplantation, it was also PRP procedures, how they collect anamnesis, how they do the DNA test. It was really pleased for me to get such knowledge. Amazing doctors that helped me to show my first steps in hair transplantations.
I would highly recommend DHI.
Trainees benefit from DHI's research and development spanning over 50 years, sharing their passion for new knowledge and encouraging trainees to excel. Build a successful career at the forefront of the industry and learn from the elite in hair restoration. Join the DHI Academy.